the thought of downsizing feels overwhelming, or if you've been putting it off because you're not sure where to start, this video is for you. Let's talk about how to take back control of your downsizing journey and why it might be one of the most freeing moves you'll ever make. Here's what I see all the time: seniors who are ready for less maintenance, less stress, and more freedom, but feel paralyzed by the process. They're stuck because the house is full of memories. There's so much stuff, and they don't know where to begin. They want to change, but the steps to get there feel heavy. That feeling is normal. But here's the good news: you don't have to figure it out alone. Taking control doesn't mean doing everything yourself. It means putting the right plan and the right people in place. Here's how I help my clients. First, we create a timeline that works for you. Then we bring in trusted pros to help with decluttering, organizing, or even selling belongings. We narrow down the right size home that fits your lifestyle and budget, and we take the stress off your shoulders by handling the real estate process from start to finish. You don't need to wait until everything is perfect in your house to start. Starting gives you the power to make intentional decisions without pressure. Here's what control looks like in this journey. It's saying yes to peace and simplicity. It's deciding where you want to spend your next season of life without guilt. It's choosing to move forward, not because you have to, but because you want to. Your next home could mean no stairs, less upkeep, a better location, or simply a place that feels like freedom. You spent a lifetime building your home. Now let's build your future with intention. If you've been thinking about downsizing, let's chat. I'll walk you through the steps, give you options, and help you create a plan that's tailored just for you. No pressure, no overwhelm, just clarity. Hey, I'm Julie Saby with Vikings Homes, brokered by eXp Realty, and I help seniors just like you move forward with confidence. You can call me at 763-257-7231 or send me an email at julie@vikingshomes.com. Let's take that first step together.